So next we're going to dive into A3s. I said, can you show me how I can put the line from earlier into an A3 project? I'm going to give 2 different scenarios, and I want you to put them into an A3 format with problem statements. Scenario 1, we have 2 months to increase output from 3,100 to 5,100 without adding overtime and hopefully keeping the same UPM. Number 2, no increased demand, still 2-month deadline, but to increase the UPM by 22%. So immediately it puts us into an A3 format. Let me pause. So project number 1, increased output to 5,100 units without overtime. Problem statement, our current production line output is 3,100 units per day, and we need to increase it to 5,100 units within 2 months without adding overtime or decreasing the current units per man hour of 66.67. This requires a significant improvement in line efficiency and cycle time management. So it breaks it down and gives us our current state. Daily production, 3,100 units, line cycle time, 9 second, based on the bottleneck, or based on takt time, I mean. Units per man hour, 66.67. Available time is blah, blah, blah. No additional overtime or labor resources, so it gave us our constraints. Here's our goal and target state. Daily production going to 5,100 units, which is a 64.5% increase. Line cycle time reduced to 6.56 seconds to meet the new output goal, which would be our takt time, right? And maintain the 66.67 units per man hour or higher. It says bottlenecks exist at, this is analysis now, root cause. Bottlenecks exist at stations 3, 4, and 5 with cycle times of 9. Limited flexibility in task allocation, leading to underutilized capacity in some stations. Current workflow and workstations layout may contribute to inefficiencies. Some of the countermeasures: redistribute tasks and optimize work elements to balance cycle times across all stations. Implement JFIs to reduce non-value added activities. And then it even gives us an implementation plan based on that 2-month period. Week 1 and 2, analyze and document all work elements per station. Identify opportunities for redistribution. Week 3 and 4, implement JFIs and minor automation in pilot areas. Measure impact on cycle time and output. Week 5 and 6, full-scale implementation of optimized workflow. Monitor and adjust as needed. Let's continue. So then it's talking about our follow-up. Now it's going into the project 2. Problem statement. Current units per man hour is 66.67. We need to increase this by 22%, which is approximately 81.34 units per man hour within 2 months without changing demand or available work time, which requires reducing labor hours or increasing efficiency significantly. It goes into our current state, gives us our goal and target, it goes into some of our root causes, and then it pilots out and gives us the roadmap for the duration of this project. So overall, it's a pretty phenomenal tool, and I want to get it in the hands of as many people as possible, really pick it apart, try to break it. I can make updates as we go, and I shouldn't have to change the links or anything. So hopefully you guys are pretty excited about this. So with that being said, follow this QR code right here and give it a shot for yourself. If you have any issues, feel free to reach out to me personally. So yeah, have fun. Enjoy.